Here I am at Antigua, Guatemala, and I'm ready to undertake the famous climb to the Acatenango volcano. After an hour trip from Antigua, we arrived at the village of Caldera.
Yes.
Caldera, and here we are with Catalino, who is the jefe of the Asociación Asoaba. It's a family that is making trips to Acatenango. So tell me two words, dos palabras para el volcano.
My dream for my team is you have a good experience. Now is good medio. It's a long way. It's a
How many hours?
4 hours and a half.
Okay.
Depending on the work, I think in the 5.
Okay.
And the base camp is 3,650 meters. It's nice view from Fuego. Fuego is one volcano activity all time. It's thank you for everybody for reserve your space. Thank you for everybody for support my local economy. Thank you, my friends. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. Enjoy. Time for make Acatenango.
Θέλω να ζυγίσω την τσαντούλα μου. 8 κιλά. Εντάξει. Οκ.
Hijo Warner, les pedimos de por favor, en 2 minutos lo voy a resumir. Por favor, tomar su tiempo. Okay? It's normally 1 hour. The start is very difficult.
This is the first half an hour, and there is a surprise here because there is a fantastic bivouac. So here we are at the entry of the national park, and it's weird, but you have to get some red tape. Actually, you fill a paper, a document for your entry, and I will show you now. Okay, we are almost 2 hours on the path, and we need 3 more hours. So in a while, half an hour, we'll be in the middle of the path. So far so good. I feel very nice.
You know what? I want to do these things, but in the end, do not have the idea that I was destroyed, because the next time you don't want to do it.
Yeah,
I don't know if you have this.
Yeah, right. I don't want to be killed when I'm there.
That's good.
So normally I hate hiking, so I do it only for her.
It's the first time, and I think for a reason, that I feel a muscle pain on my knees. Maybe it's because of the specific inclination, which is, it's always steep and the same, and always uphill. This last stretch was pretty hard, I think, but we can manage it. The guide said that we have roughly 25 minutes more, which is very good news, and the path is pretty mild. I don't feel tired. I had my first pee, and I have a horse behind me. ¿Cuánto tiempo quiere para llegar?
4 horas a 5 horas.
Ah, como el hombre. Ah. Más o menos cansado, ¿no? Here we are with my brand new friend Alejandro, Félix,
Mucho placer.
de Argentina,
Mucho gusto en conocer a mi amigo acá,
de Canadá.
de Grecia.
He's traveling
Estamos
with his-
compartiendo un momento muy agradable, visitando un lugar
Actually,
mágico.
he says that we have a very nice moment now. I would say a love moment. And we are
Visiting a very magical place.
place with magical people.
It was very hard, but we're making it. We're almost there.
Alejandro is traveling with his dog,
Leila,
Leila,
my baby, my travel companion for 3
together
years.
for 3 years in a long old camper.
Yes.
Very romantic. See you on top.
Okay, addio.
So we have just arrived after 5 hours and 5 minutes, and all the group, we are safe, cool and sound. And this eruption welcomed us. It was pretty dramatic with the sound. And this is where we are going to sleep tonight. It's like a favela, but a privileged one. Now it's time to have lunch. It's pretty poor, but well done. I can't digest this view. It's something between the clouds coming from the valley of Antigua, mixing with the eruptions that are coming every, I don't know, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It reminds me that famous geyser at the Yellowstone National Park, but this is 1,000,000 times more powerful, important, and photogenic and unique. Well, in the end, I couldn't stay home. I decided to follow the youngsters, this group, to go to Fuego.
The Fuego.
It was a matter of pride. And here we have, what's your name?
Sí.
¿Cómo? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Antonio.
Es Antonio, la
Antonio.
guía,
Guía.
the guide.
Okay.
Alejandro, ¿dónde vamos?
Vamos al volcán del Fuego, el volcán más activo del mundo.
Del mundo.
Erupciona cada 20 minutos.
And now we are on the lower point, and we're going to ascend to Fuego. Good morning. Here we are with Alejandro. Nikolai and Gabriel have been maybe on the top of Acatenango. We prefer not to go because we were very, very tired last night. I slept well, not very cold inside the sleeping bag, but I had a feeling that I never slept. I was always awake in a way, but I woke up by the light that I want to show you now.
Buenos días.
How are you?
Wonderful, wonderful. Slept really well.
That's good.
And go check out this amazing view.
Taking my coffee while watching the Fuego volcano erupting. This is something like 30 seconds of happiness. Here we are with my brothers in arms and Nikolai and Gabriel. So I would like to tell the story of these 2 days. How was it for you?
We just hiked up yesterday. We were in good conditions, we were really doing well, but we didn't want to do the Fuego hike because we wanted to do the sunrise today. So we let the others go. And yeah, we just enjoyed the afternoon here. We had nice weather, had a nice view. We were alone, we had the campfire here. That was nice. Then marshmallows. Then it got cold. The others came back. We had a dinner late. And yeah, and this morning at 4, we started hiking up to the mountain. And yeah, it was just nice.
But did you feel, let's say, that you missed something? I can tell you, you missed nothing.
So for me it was nice to see the eruption from here, from the base camp. So I was happy with that.
Yeah. And I was just thinking shortly, everyone was leaving and we were the only ones being back.
Which is a moment. It's a nice
Yeah.
moment.
So first I thought, maybe we should have gone, but then I thought, no, we just enjoy. So now we are both fine, I think.
Did you bring them?
With all the team. Everybody's happy and okay, safe and sound and fit. So it's time to take the road back. So taking the road back home, it feels easy if you are not tired from the previous trekking, from the previous day, but we have to see how fit I will be in the end. So far I feel so good, so light, no pain on my ribs. I have to remind you that I had broken my ribs at Samuk Champei 2 weeks ago. So still I was in pain last night when I was getting asleep because I cannot turn from one side to the other. Anyway, I have found the system to sleep very steady on my back or on one side. But now I feel great. Here we are, short break, just to change clothes because everybody was in winter mode and now we go to summer mode. Here we are, at the main entry, main exit, and it feels like as if we are finished, but we have maybe half an hour more. Too many people. If you ask me what is the negative side of this climb, this trek, is the traffic jam, the human traffic jam. Sometimes it's annoying, but the place, nature, the volcanoes, the views, the clouds are so impressive that in the end you forget about it. So from the exit I stayed a little behind my group to feel my loneliness, and it's nice, it's getting wet, the soil is wet, so the grip is better when it's getting wet, which is good news. Otherwise it's very, very slippery. Look at the traffic, it's amazing. People everywhere. It's the moment I'm not jealous of the people who are climbing up now. I would say I feel a little bit pity about them, but it's the same. I was in the same position exactly this time yesterday. Still feel good. And here is the last stretch, 15 minutes, and we arrived to the car. So far, so good. Here's my friend Nikolai. I fell down. It was not fake. I fell down for real. And here we are in the end. Wait.
We made it!
Wait. It's a selfie, guys.
We made it!
And these are my buddies.
This is the
Gabriel, Nikolai,
representing
Alejandro.
Policía Turística de Antigua.
Well, I have to tell you something. Just tell me how you feel now after 2 days.
Perfect.
I feel amazing. What an accomplishment.
For me, you're a hero.
Awesome, thank you.
Nikolai,
Same for me.
I think so. Oh no,
something, something peculiar, interesting to say about this activity, this experience?
I'm happy that I was in this lane down today and not up.
That's good.
Yeah,
Well,
for sure.
I feel you, all the three, like all good friends. Really,
Yeah.
really. This is what trekking and mountains do.
Yeah.
Okay? So next question is, where do we meet next?
Who knows, eh? El Salvador, maybe?
Say,
No.
These guys are
Not
going
in El
there.
we'll
Salvador.
not meet again.
Maybe in a bar in Antigua.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, could be a bar in Antigua. That sounds
Let's
good, yeah.
make it closer.
Tonight.
Yeah, right.
Sounds good.